My name is Daniel Garcia, but everybody call me Danny. I'm the Group IT Manager for Operations in Klöckner Pentaplast. I'm responsible for MES, WMS, all the integration with ERPs, with the SCADA layer as well, PLCs and so on. Klöckner Pentaplast, it's a company split in two divisions. So we have food division, OFP, and then we have pharma and durables. So in food division, we make plastic films and plastic trays, for protein, for bakery, for food to go. So we are leaders there. And then the other one is pharma and durables, which is purely films for pharma. So our vision is sustainability of everyday needs. That's our key objective. Well, business challenges before MES journey. We got a really decentralized situation. So in some plants, they were using the old school papers. Some plants, if they were lucky with local IT doing development, they had a really customized MES. Okay, so it was a decentralized situation, difficult to do benchmarking, difficult to create community of practices from group level because you don't have the same system and the same standards. That's the reason why we decided to go for MES journey. What we like more with Infor MES was a modular system, which is always really good, because when you start MES journey, you don't want to start with all the functionalities and modules at the same time. Of course, we use, I think, 90% of the standard out of the box, which is good. And then with the latest version, we will try to reduce to zero customizations. That's our goal, because we want to use the standard. So key measurements we've improved with the MES solution. Customer complaints were reduced by 30%, which is really the key of collecting data automatically and detecting the defects in our plant. And then a huge cost saving in tool repairs. With analyzing the tool usage, we are introducing AI in our business already and integrating with MES. So we are starting to use AI for defects detection end of the line. The good thing is that we always have the same team from Infor MES supporting us, which is good. We know each other, they know how we work, I know how they work, so we have like a good relationship. This relationship with the Infor MES team, that's key, because it helps a lot.